Will it drone? That is the question. Today, we have with us a 2011 Infiniti G37s with factory headers, Fast Intentions resonated high flow cats, and a Motordyne exhaust. So today we ask, will it drone? Stay tuned. How's it going, guys? So, trying a new approach to something. Had a little theater in it, some drama maybe. In every single exhaust video, in every single exhaust post or thread or anything like that, with somebody showing their setup or anything, the drone question comes up 100 times. Does it drone? How does it sound? Is it deep? Stuff like that. I was like, even I got asked a number of times in my different iterations of exhaust with this car especially, how does it sound? One thing I will say about the Motordyne is that it always sounds great. It's really awesome. So far for this car, I've had factory headers, factory cats with the Motordyne. Then I went to art pipes and the Motordyne. Then now I'm currently with the resonated high flow cats with the Motordyne. Throughout the different iterations, everybody asks, well, does it drone, stuff like that. So let me show you what it does, right? Let's go to the highway at different cruising speeds, see what you hear, and let me know what you think. I'll give you what I think, but follow along in the video and let's see what you think. Alright, let's open it up on the interstate a little bit. Well, on the on-ramp to get to the interstate. That was a nice pull. I guess he saw me kind of building up speed for the interstate, so I guess he wanted to take a quick run. Alright, so let's see. Let's get to a cruising speed. Right now we're in 5th gear. We're not really cruising yet. Let me shift lanes. Okay. So as you can see around us, we're at the flow of the traffic. We're not going ahead or slow, we're just keeping up with the traffic. We're doing around 80, right? And we're in 5th gear, about 3,000 RPMs. And yes, you're hearing the exhaust, but listen, there's wind noise and stuff, but there's no real droning, there's no real vibration, there's no real ringing in your ear, you know? So, that's good. Could there be a little bit? Very, very little bit. I don't think it's much. But so far, so good. So I'm going to shift lanes here again. Let's, now, if you go to 4,000 RPMs, let's go to 2,000 RPMs. Let's try to drop down to 2,000 RPMs in 5th gear. Let's see if we have any drone then. So let me get on the extreme slow lane, extreme right lane. Remember, don't hog the left lane, please, people. Just don't hog the left lane. People that do that annoy me. So we're in extreme right lane, the slow pull lane. We're in 5th gear. Still at 2,500 RPMs. So at 2,500 RPMs, I'm around the high 60s. Okay? And really still no drone. Really sounding good. Let's go ahead, still in the flow of traffic. Although now they have the other guys going a little faster than me. Let's go down to fifth. So fifth gear around, it dropped, it went from about 2,000 RPMs to about 3,000 RPMs. Let's try and get a cruise going. What do you think? Is it droning? I don't think so. Right now, traffic speed. Now, right now, I'm doing around 70, 3,000 RPMs, fifth gear. No real drone. No real drone. I love this exhaust setup, man. Even with the R pipes, I love the exhaust setup. It just sounds so good. The R pipes, though, for a daily driver, man, it's a little tough. Now, I've had a weekend car with R pipes and Motordynes. She rock that all day, man. Making so much noise. Going up the hill, some engine load. Doing around 75, 3,500 RPMs. Didn't drone again. This is a really nice match. A really, really nice match. Let me just be quiet. Let's cruise with the traffic. Traffic rolling right now about 75 miles an hour at 3,500 RPM. So let's just roll here. We're in fifth gear. I'll be quiet. You listen. Just hearing wind noise. That's it, just wind noise. I'm just cruising, wind noise. No drone. I love this combo. Now let's go to fifth, like sixth. Still at 75 miles an hour. We've now dropped down to about 2,800 RPMs. Let's go into slower lane because I gotta take this exit, come back around. We gotta slow down a little bit. Doing around 70 now, about 2,500 RPMs in the slow lane, getting ready to exit. No drone, just road noise. So right now in the comments, tell me what you think. What you think so far? Drone, no drone, level 1 to 10. Where's the tunnel? Well, bridge. Oh, some black firing back there. Alright, let's go back on to the interstate. There's a little Honda going there. Now listen, I'm going to be quiet. Just listen. You don't hear the exhaust, do you? That's one thing I love about these things. The Motordyne is dead ass quiet. Dead ass quiet at stop and idle. Step it down and forth. Fifth. smell those that cat working on that maximum. Okay, let's just see if we're getting drone. Doing around 80. Flow to traffic. 3,000 RPMs. Big old splat in the windshield just now. None. No drone. Just some good sound and stuff, just no drone. Sometimes I feel like I need another gear when we're cruising. Get that overdrive gear with the 6-speed, but you know. So guys, the question was put forward, will it drone? I myself think it will not drone. The exhaust will not over resonate and be annoying. Alright guys, so what do you think? Let me know in the comments what you think. Should I make this a series? I looked around on YouTube and there's really nobody that has something like will it drone. So I think it's kind of fun. It's a little parody-ish, a little comical, but it does address a question that a lot of people ask. So if you're in the Middle Tennessee area and you want to showcase your car, see if it will drone, please hit me up, man. Message me on my Instagram. Here's my Instagram handle. Hit me up on Instagram. Let me know. We'll meet up. You gotta be COVID safe and set up a rig and see if your car will drone. If you guys have been with me this far into the video, I do appreciate it. I love you all. Some of you guys are subscribed. Some of you guys are just people that casually see my video come up and keep looking at it. I do wish that some of you could hit subscribe, hit that little bell too. That would be awesome. But hit a like, put a comment, show some love. Until next time guys, y'all have a good evening.